Alright, just gonna make a quick video about my Mercedes CLK. Had a no start, no communication issue. Turn the key on, go to the start position, it would not start, and the radiator fan would come on high. Essentially what I did was I took the computer apart, the ECU apart, and I found some water damage on, that flashlight's not working, on these. Here. On these terminals here, and also on the back side of each one, there and there. I just used this pick. I used a toothbrush and just remove the corrosion. Put the computer back in the car, and it lit right up. So I've seen some other videos saying you need to resolder these. I believe these are transistors. Just resolder these where the legs meet the circuit board along here. I didn't have to do that on mine. All I did was I just saw it was just a little bit of white oxidation from water damage along here, along these terminals on this IC, on this chip, there, and there. That fixed it. Hope that helps you guys.